space between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor of plate area 4 semi-square and separation of d 1.77 millimeter is filled with uniform dielectric material with dielectric constant 3 and 5 as shown in the figure. So the space between the parallel plates is filled with two dielectrics of dielectric constant 5 and 3 as shown in this figure, and the separation between the two plates is d. Another capacitor of capacitance 7.5 picofarad is connected in parallel with it. The effective capacitance of this combination is dash picofarad. So first calculate the capacitance of the given figure. So here let's say C1 be the capacitance of this dielectric plate and C2 is the capacitance of this, and so they are in series combination. So the equivalent of these two will be 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Now what is C1? We know that for a parallel plate capacitor C is equal to K epsilon 0 A by D. So here C1 is K, that is K1 epsilon 0 A divided by, and the separation is D by 2. This is total distance is D and this is D by 2. So D by 2, that is 2. Similarly C2 will be K, that is K2 epsilon 0 area A divided by D by 2, that is this. Now put this value of C1 and C2. So 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So 1 by C2, 1 by C1, that is 1 by, that is D by 2 epsilon 0 A K1, and take D by 2 epsilon 0 A as common, then 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2, because D by 2 epsilon 0 A is common to both C1 and C2. So 1 by C is this. So 1 by C is equal to D by 2 epsilon 0 A, K1 K2 is the LCM, so it is K1 plus K2. Now K1 is 5 and K2 is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8, so this becomes 5 plus 3 is 8 and 5 into 3 is 15. 8 by 15 into D by 2 epsilon 0 into D by 2 epsilon 0 A. So this is the value of C, that is of this combination. Now if we put all these value, that is or 1 by C, so C is basically 15 by 8. C is basically 15 by 8 into twice epsilon 0 A by D. So twice epsilon 0, put the value of epsilon 0, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12, twice epsilon 0, and area is given as 4 centimeter square, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square, 4 semi square, divided by D is given as 1.77 millimeter, 1.77 millimeter, that is into 10 to the power minus 3. So if we calculate this value, this becomes 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. This is equal to 7.5 picofarad. So the capacitance of this given figure, this is 7.5 picofarad, and they are saying now another capacitor of capacitance 7.5. So two capacitors is connected in parallel. So when two capacitors are connected in parallel, the equivalent becomes C1 plus C2. So this is 7.5 picofarad, and another capacitor of capacitance 7.5 picofarad. So simply add these two, that is 7.5 plus 7.5 is 15 picofarad. So the effective capacitance of this combination is 15 picofarad. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.